Okay, the live stream is on. Hello, everyone. It's Friday, 20 August 2021.
And nice to see you, everyone.
Yeah.
So hope you guys have a great week so far. The price of crypto is somewhat okay. I think for Bitcoin is somewhat it's 46 now, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's still quite all right.
Yeah.
For ETH, I think they are going a little bit sideways somehow. But the BNB is going up. That's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Because every 19th every month, the price of crypto may have a correction, and then it's true.
Yeah. Now that you say on 19th of every month, maybe next month they change the date. Maybe they decide to do it on the 15th next month.
This early morning, I listening the podcast on Apple. There's a link, and it's share information discussion between the Mr. Smith is one of the influencer try to share something about the economy and then share information about Bitcoin. And here's the what he say, what he believe, and that is the thing we want to share to our audience today. And with him, he believes Bitcoin price could reach 100K. Yeah. However, there's still remain a non-believer. Yeah, that's true.
If he believes that Bitcoin will go to 100K and he's still a non-believer, either one of this statement is false. If he knows that if he thinks that it's going to go up so high and he still don't believe it, I mean, maybe you don't believe that crypto can influence the future, but I think these two statements is just flashing statements.
But when I listen to the podcast about Peter Smith, he share information about the finance crisis and what the thing with people and he debate. He says, during before Bitcoin, of course, gold is the treasure thing. Is a thing people believe than fiat. But nowadays, Bitcoin gold. Vice versa. This similarity, but one in the digital version and one in the tangible the stuff, like our live stream last 3 days about the Bitcoin gold. And then he gives some he also says yes. He said he could invest in Bitcoin in 2011. Because at that time Bitcoin price around a few less than $100. And now the day the price of Bitcoin he say is maybe around 100K or 1 million is divided is this means that some people say that this some of the bubble, of course this is a bubble, and people say he also say it doesn't mean that Bitcoin is less of a bubble. That's some kind of view, but in the long view, Bitcoin and gold and some other digital may replace the fiat currency. This means that the value of this may more than nowadays. And this is one of the we share our view in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. We will share to you some of the other news that may let us know that institutional investors are going to discover the cryptocurrency, and of course they will be the one who try to get Bitcoin ASAP based on the regulation. And now we see the news on the MUFG. It's a Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group is going to partnership with Coinbase. What for? Because they want to allow 40 million customers to buy Bitcoin in Japan. Yeah, this is one of the news. Is a big news too, to let people know that the Bitcoin slowly, daily, has been accepted by many companies. Yeah, and this news from Forbes, this man is former SEC Security Exchange Commission Chairman Jay Catton. He's the one who joined 2 billion Bitcoin and crypto custodian. Yeah, it's for a long time we can't see any people in the government, and now he's a former SEC chairman. Now he joined custodian. Yeah, this is also the good news.
Yeah, sounds like he see the potential of this Bitcoin, and how Bitcoin and crypto can pave the way for the future of transactions, monetary exchanges, and all this. Yeah. So yeah, for him to move from being a former SEC chairman, SEC there's always been
always be the one who want to against cryptocurrency.
Yeah, looking at trading all this well, and when someone like this of this caliber is looking is seeing something on the other side of the fence, and then they join the other side. So I think it's a good guide, a good thinker, or a good indicator for all the Bitcoin crypto investors and users. Yeah, to see that someone who has seen maybe the best of both worlds, or maybe I shouldn't use that word, but who has seen trading in general, or most of his career, or maybe at the period of his career. Yeah, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so and then this custodian, crypto custodian, is from Israel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Somewhere down. Yeah, I think it seems like Israel is also moving pretty far ahead.
Yeah, that's right. Israel.
Although they don't really announce so much.
Yeah.
They don't talk so much about crypto and all this, but I think they are moving far ahead as well, just like China.
Yeah, that's right. And then we can see another big boss in banking. It's Wells Fargo and JP Morgan. They both filed for the passive Bitcoin funds. Yeah, this
all for passive Bitcoin funds.
Yeah.
So I guess they are.
Yeah.
Did they actually have some crypto related trading funds before? I think so, right? Like, or was it someone that?
Yeah.
But to file for a passive Bitcoin fund, I think that's also a very strong indicator for a lot of investors and Bitcoiners, cryptoners, yeah, cryptoners out there. Yeah, so it's actually signaling to the general public that what their future, the direction for the future is roughly like. It would consist a fair bit of crypto related funds. Although they are still doing the conventional or the traditional or typical kind of funds that they have been doing all this while. But this crypto portfolio is something that they cannot not look at. They just have to look at it because why? The whole world is talking about it. The whole world is talking about crypto. The whole world is talking about digital currency. The whole world is talking about moving digital in the future.
Yeah, that's right.
Into the digital future. Yeah.
And then we found the news about the Iris Energy in Australia. It's one of the mining firm also filed for direct listing on the US exchange, US Nasdaq. Yeah, this is also news from the exchange, one of the exchange in Australia, when they do some documentation with the SEC, and then they launch the new the firm. This means the mining firm, Bitcoin mining firm, is launched by the former market bankers brother Will and Daniel Robert. Expect to do the filling with the SECs. Yeah, and now they are going to issue the stock, and then it's they do the joining.
It seems like these two guys are from US.
Yeah, maybe, but the headquarters in Australia.
Yeah, so now they are launching into projects in Australia.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so see, US has been talking a lot about not allowing crypto and all this, so people are doing it overseas.
Yeah, because
people from US is going into Israel, going to Australia, maybe many other countries.
Yeah, because we hear when Chinese ban the Bitcoin mining firm, and we see a good news in Australia too. Yeah, not only.
Okay, just a little thinker for our listeners. When you hear countries or governments banning crypto mining, banning this, banning that, it's not because they are banning cryptocurrency in totality. They are just trying to clamp down those. There are a lot of people when there's new opportunities. What do? They do fraud. They do money laundering. They do a lot of funny things. Yeah. So even back many centuries ago, when the world started using paper notes, there are a lot of money laundering as well. They use fake money. So we are in a transition or the cusp of all these the cusp of all these changes, so to speak.
Yeah.
So definitely, government will have to step in and adopt some measures to curb the potential money laundering, potential abuse of finance management. I don't know. Yeah. So just to curb money laundering. Yeah. So in fact, this is the widest topic ever since. The widest topic ever since we discover Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Right from 13 years ago, governments has been very concerned about money laundering using digital currency like Bitcoin. Yeah, they have been talking about it for like the last 13 years. Yeah, so the fact that China and some other countries are banning crypto mining, illegal mining, and all this, these are the links that, because of there are some people who want Bitcoin for good, and there are some people who want to use Bitcoin for bad. It's the same thing as
that's right.
People who want to use US dollar for good, and there are people who want to use US dollar for crime, criminal activities. That's why you see it on the movies, right? They print fake money to do illegal stuff. Yeah.
Okay, if you share information about the illegal stuff, there's a guy. There's a news about. Let me see. Recently, the coin space trader. There's this all the news from today. I see draft is trying to confirm. Also have some news about the custodian here because there's a debate between the Bitcoin is money or Bitcoin is digital asset. One of the judgment in US, they say Bitcoin is money, so he can charge the guy is guilty. Yeah, he's a darknet Bitcoin mixer operator. Yeah, it's this man is first 20 years in prison because he's running the mixer. But he argued that he's not guilty because Bitcoin is not money based on the US law. But the judge say that Bitcoin is money. Yeah, this is one of the funniest thing.
But defendant faced 20 years in prison for.
Yeah.
Please unhighlight that part because I can't see clearly. Faced 20 years in prison. Previously argued that he's not guilty because Bitcoin is not money.
Yeah,
so this is funny thing. This is like the you're striking the coin on both sides. You know?
Yeah.
All this while, for the last many years, people are saying, "Oh, Bitcoin is not money. Bitcoin is not money." And then this darknet Bitcoin mixer guy, he got caught for something to do with Bitcoin. And then, of course, he argued that it's so funny. He argued that he's not guilty. He's not guilty because he was not guilty because Bitcoin is not money. But then now the U.S. law say, oh, the judge say, oh, Bitcoin is money.
Yeah. but that's on the U.S. law. The Bitcoin is not money.
Right? It's funny, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, at a period of time where everyone says no, Bitcoin is not money, it's not digital gold, it's nothing, it's just something that is speculatory, anything that's not real money.
Yeah, that's not real money. But now he's now the judge said that this is money and he needs to face the 20 years in prison. Yeah. By the way, he's running a missing. Some of us don't know what missing means. It look like Bitcoin can trace. So missing is help the buyer or seller can hide their Bitcoin address, original Bitcoin address. Yeah. This is one of the argument to let our viewer to see that Bitcoin is digital money or is digital asset or is a money, is a currency. Yeah, yeah. And then we hear some of the news about this news was so unlucky for a man in South Africa here.
Good luck to this guy.
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Yeah.
He accidentally deleted keys to 20 Bitcoins worth. Even 5 Bitcoins is worth a lot.
Yeah. It's 10 years ago.
Wow, man, this guy, he must be crying all day long.
Yeah, that's right. Also, there's a man who threw away the hardest 20,000 Bitcoin in mine. Is
20,000 Bitcoin. Well, that's like 200 million or more than that.
At that time, he don't really focus on this, and he think, oh, this just a shitcoin and just throw away. It look like what? It look like S&P, Xeonbit, S&S. The price of few cents, people say,
so now people look at it, 1 cent is okay, I just put it aside, never mind, I don't care about it. Then one fine day when the price go up, 10 times, 100 times. Oh, then they start to scavenge for their keys. Oh,
Yeah.
you lost a key by the time. Yeah.
And
Or if you don't record it down or store it safely, it's gone.
And then we also hear some of the news about the elephant. Also, that means delete some of the contents, and then one of the suggestions to say if they so I show you to have a look for a while. This is just a suggestion of the for the elephant to accept Bitcoin. This is a site based in London, and then it's a majority comply of the sexual workers to monetize their products. Yeah, and then now they delete some of the sensitive content on this based on the law, and one of the this is based on the Bloomberg report. Yeah, and content subscription service Elephant has decided to ban all pornographic content from their website. Yeah, and the Bitcoiner and community received another reason that could strengthen the that means asking the Elephant choice the decentralized either because they use they most of them they use banking and payment provider nowadays. The company got the pressure in the from its partner, yeah, when making a payment and something like that, yeah. It's so simple. It's so simple.
Yeah.
They only can just switch to the cryptocurrency, but I think based on some of regulation, so it's hard for them. Okay, and now I think we have been reviewed some of the major news from today. We see something from Wells Fargo file and what's that? Wells Fargo and JP Morgan. Yeah, some of the evolution in the mining Bitcoin. Oh, we also can see the just now I see the El Salvador released the first regulatory guide for banks under Bitcoin law. Yeah, this is
That's good.
also
That sounds good.
yeah.
It sounds like there's some progress going on.
Yeah, some progress still on El Salvador because this one of it is the first time in the history of the cryptocurrency and history of the financial system. The central bank of El Salvador released two papers, the guideline for authorization operational digital wallet platform for Bitcoin dollar technical standard. Yeah, actually, I think they should release some of the paper guideline to people in cryptocurrency, so the people they can use people and the banking they can understand more about the crypto and understand more about the financial system. Like the document last time I shared to our audience about what is digital assets and what is cryptocurrency, what NFT, what's different about this. Yeah, and the purpose regulation we apply to Bitcoin dollar digital wallet. Yeah, that's good. Payment service provider, some other. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice to see that. And with some of this is maybe it's so hard to make the do the accounting with the between dollar and Bitcoin asset and something like that. Yeah, it's so complicated when the price of Bitcoin is keep changing. I mean, it's so volatile to have the fixed price, fixed asset. Yeah, but they will have some the other solution for this. Yeah, like that's the exchange house exchange Bitcoin to dollar vice versa. Payment services like you if you are the host, you want to receive the payment from the people accept in Bitcoin and dollars. So it should have the exchange rate at the time you receive the payment. So you will not feel loose when the price go down or if the price go up. Yeah, it's it should like that. It should have some the law and some the guideline for people to know about this. And how about the altcoin? Yeah, we hear when the price of Bitcoin go up, all the altcoin should go up too. Let's see on the coin market cap we see today. Yeah, on the altcoin within 24 hours, Bitcoin go up 5%, 5.9%. We see some of the, let's see, oh, you can see some of the coin that change dramatically within 24 hours. Yeah. This one changed 57%, 27%. Yeah. Before we see this change, we need to know what is this and discover more information about the coin. Oh, I can see the sushi should change 40%, 40%. Yeah, that's why it's suitable. It's good for us when you have the coin information like this, so we can have a look at the research more about this. And what is the loss? What is loss? Loss we see IR or IR so 9%. Near so loss. We also can see some of the discount coin here. We can try a little bit in this on this. Yeah, like some of the coin a few days ago. This one run so high, 80%. You see 7 days, 80%. So now it's lot. Yeah, of course.
Wow, what is this Terra Luna?
Terra Luna. Yeah. This one also so many coin nowadays. So it's hard for us to keep focus every coin.
Yeah.
So some of traders, some investors, we're looking for coins based on a category. And category, see the category and search. Like if you like the tourism, you can join the tourism crypto. Yeah.
Tourism. Someone actually named the coin tourism.
No.
Goodness.
It's category tourism. Category.
Category.
Not the like DeFi, like NFT and the other
Okay.
Yeah. So join this, join based on a different category and easy for us to um, to invest a little bit on some of the some category we like. Yeah, I think now let me go to the trading view to see how's the market. What is the clip? What is resistance level of the Bitcoin next few days? Yeah, now it's 47,000. I will try to apply the Fibonacci. Yeah, of course. Fibonacci, yeah, resistance near the resistance level of 50,000. We all can see that. And the next one, 57 to 62. Yeah, the nearest is 50,000, 49,570. And I also can try to apply the Bollinger Band to see if it's on the way. Yeah. Oh, on the way. We can see here it's hit the resistance level, the upper line. I think in next few days it may hit the 50,000 soon. Now it's 47,300. Yeah, it's let me check the file. With the file, we see some of the article I see now is with some of the hour with 4 hour is over the resistance level. It shows that it may hit more. It may go more to the next level. Because if I try to the other level, the 50,000 to 55,000 also the same, similar this. Yeah. Okay, I think let me see from our live stream. I see. Okay. If you have any question, please let me know. Thanks to our audience join our live stream this early morning. If you have okay, and it's time for us to say goodbye in this early morning. And then if you have any question, please let us know, and remember to like and share our video if you're interested in. Yeah, and give us more motivation to do more live stream and share information to all of you. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, do you have something to say?
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us. Yeah, so I hope the information that we have discussed over, we have looked over this period of time, can be helpful to you and help you make some decision on or off for trading. Yeah, so hope you guys over the weekend make some money and have some fun time. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See you.
Thank you all for joining us. Do like and subscribe, and then you can also share this video with your friends.